The stock market is rattled and unemployment is at a record high. So what are the most important things to watch for in the economy during this pandemic? Joining us now with details, Mitchell Gold, president of ClientFirst Strategy. Appreciate your time. So when we look at the unemployment rate and we look at the economy, everything seems to be tanking, but the stock market seems to be gaining some ground. What's the disconnect?
Okay, people have to realize that the stock market is not necessarily a true reflection of the current state of the economy, because if it was, the stock market would be way lower, and that's what people can't quite grasp at the moment. It's almost like, what's with this crazy disconnect? The fact of the matter is, you have a handful of extraordinarily large companies such as Amazon, such as Microsoft, such as Facebook, that are really taking away market share from all of their other competitors. So as long as more and more money keeps going into those large companies, the top 5 companies make up about 20% of the S&P 500 index. So as long as those companies are continuing to attract investor cash, then the market will continue to defy expectations of what's happening in the real economy.
So real quickly, what are some of the things we should be looking for in the economy that'll affect the stock market?
3 things. I think the first one really is Georgia. Now, there are a number of states that are reopening after, trying to get out of the social distancing dilemma for business. Georgia is one of a few, but it's a big state. They have Atlanta. They have a gigantic airport. They have a big population. So let's see how Georgia goes. We hope for the best. This is not meant to be political in any way. They're opening, so we're going to have to live with it. But let's observe. Let's see what we can learn from their reopening and see what we can take to use for the rest of the country. So if that goes well, that's very bullish for the economy and the market.
Okay, great. Mitchell Gold, president of ClientFirst Strategy.
Goldberg.
Thank you very much.